My name is Larry Greenbaum. I'm the former owner of the Clearwater Cinema Cafe on US 19 and Sunset Point Road in Clearwater. And it's a movie theater, twin movie theater, where you can sit and eat and drink and watch a movie at the same time, sit at tables, be served by wait staff. A lot of fun. And I got involved with KS Audio when one of the principals of the company came by to see a movie on several different occasions and left word that the sound system could use a little bit of help and could he make some suggestions. And I ignored him for the longest time and then finally caved in, called him up one day because he wouldn't leave me alone. And he brought me into his showroom and he showed me some equipment that was very impressive, put on some digital videos for me to watch. And it was tremendous. But I'm working with optical sound. And I didn't see that with the source material that I was working with that we were going to see a whole lot of improvement. So Norbert offered me the opportunity to put some equipment in for the weekend, try it, and see if I liked the sound, that if I noticed a difference or not. And I agreed. And they came in and they ran the speaker lines and put the speakers up and installed the system on a temporary basis. We used it to run our matinee that Friday. And when I went downstairs after I started the movie, I noticed that there was a crackling sound. And I couldn't wait to call him up and tell him there was a defect in his system. And a few minutes after I heard the crackling sound, it started raining in the movie. So it was thunder that I'd never heard before, and I'd been running the movie for weeks. It was a Disney movie, and it was The Jungle Book or something. And we read some other movies that weekend with the system, and I noticed that the customers seemed to really enjoy the difference in the sound. They weren't sitting up in their seats trying to listen as much. They were sitting back and hearing it. And after the Sunday afternoon shows were done and Sunday night started, I had decided that this system wasn't leaving my building, that some way I was going to work a deal out with this guy and keep this stuff in here. Yes, it was definitely more distinct. And what was amazing is we bought a very, very simple system. I guess they're all pretty simple systems. And I was replacing a surround sound system with a lot of speakers and a lot of, equipment to keep it where I wanted it to be. We were constantly adjusting it. And this just seemed so impossible that this was going to be a better sound. And it was. And we had speakers only in the front of the theater, but when you were sitting in the back of the theater, it really sounded like the sound was coming from the back. What I was amazed by was that the clarity was as good in the front as it was in the back. And the sound system was actually installed in the front only. So it was pretty remarkable. But what was important to me was the bottom line, and that was that I was going to have better sound than I had, and I had significantly better sound and a whole lot less equipment hanging on my walls and less things to cause problems. I had one subwoofer and 2 speakers hung. We were very, very pleased with the system. Very simple, very maintenance-free, very easy to operate. We didn't have to make adjustments with the different movies, which was amazing. And it was a great system. We really never were disappointed with it.